How to find similar images on Google, or search image on Google. This is a great way to find the original source of an image, discover visually similar photos, or identify objects and places from a picture. First, open your web browser. On the search page, click the camera icon inside the search bar, and make sure your Google Lens app is updated to the latest version. Now select Upload a File, and Google will upload the image automatically. Within a few seconds, you'll see visually similar images, matching results, and in many cases, websites where the image appears. If Google recognizes the image, it may also show the name of the object, location, product, or person in the picture. That's it. This is one of the fastest ways to find similar images on Google or search image on Google and find similar photos online. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy tech tutorials.